Good morning, students. In this video, we learn direct and indirect speech. In direct speech, you will see actual words spoken by the speaker. In this example, she said, I am busy today. I am busy today are the words spoken by the girl. As it is, we have taken, so it is direct speech. Indirect speech, we report what was said. It is I am reporting what she said. So I will speak in this way. She said that she was busy that day. So we report what was said. Such type of sentences are the sentences of indirect speech. Now, how can we turn the direct sentences into indirect one? We'll remember one structure. At the beginning, we'll take the speaker, then the reported verb, then if the sentence has listener, then I will take listener, and the sentences into inverted comma that I will join with a particular joining word, and I will turn the sentence into inverted comma in assertive statement with all the required changes of indirect speech. Now see this reported verb and joining words, in what way we are taking. It depends upon the type of sentence. For declarative sentence, reported verb is said or told, joining word that. Exclamatory sentence, reported verb is exclaimed, joining word that. Interrogative sentence, verbal or yes no type, and for WH type, ask. For yes no type, I will take the joining word if or whether, and for WH, the same WH word. Imperative sentence, the reported verb, you can take ordered or warned, suggested, told, etc. And if it is positive, joining word is to, and if it is negative, not to. For let's, I will take reported verb suggested, and I will join the sentence with that. Now see the changes, what type of changes will do in indirect speech. For direct, this is the changes of subject. For direct speech, I changes into he, she, it, we changes into they, you, subjective case at the beginning, if it is subject, changes into he, she, it for plural they, you in objective case, him, her, it for plural them. It means that first and second subject turns into the third person. Changes of verb. For direct speech, am is are turn into was were, shall will, should would, can may turn into could and might. Verb 1, V1 changes into verb 2, and if it is simple past tense, already verb 2 into inverted comma, I will turn it into past perfect tense had plus verb 3, and if into inverted comma, it is perfect tense, past perfect tense, that will be turned into had plus been plus verb 4. It means past perfect continuous tense. Some other changes will need to remember. Today turn into that day. Yesterday turn into the day before. Tomorrow the next day. Next week the following week. Next month the following month. Now, then, ago, before, thus, so, last night, the night before, this, that, these turn into those, come, go, here, there. Now remember some of the rules while changing direct speech into indirect one. When reported verb is in past, all present tense of direct speech are changed into past. Now see, in the pink color, that is reported verb. He said, I like music. Said is in past. So inverted comma into inverted comma, like is the present tense. So all, if reported verb is in past tense, all the present tense turns into past tense. So the answer will be he said that. That is the joining word for declarative sentence. He liked music is the answer into indirect speech. Rule 2. Reported verb is in present tense. The tense of the verb does not change. Now see in the pink color, that is reported verb. He says, I like music. So it is into present tense. So I am not changing. Do not change the tense. I like music. It is in present tense. So keep it as it is. So the answer will be he says that he likes music. For universal truth, for scientific fact, verb does not change into past tense. See this example. He said honesty is the best policy. This is universal truth, so do not change it into past tense. The answer is he said that honesty is the best policy. Just join it by that. Now turn the direct speech into indirect one. Sania asked, are you coming, Sahil? The assertive form of are you coming is you are coming. And so the answer is Sania asked Sahil if he was coming. Gopal said to Pratik, go away. The answer is Gopal ordered Pratik, joining word is to go away. Let's go for picnic, Sahil said. It is suggestion. So Sahil suggested that they should go for picnic. How happy I am, Rashi said. The assertive form is I am very happy, and so the indirect speech is Rashi exclaimed that she was very happy. He said to me good morning. For such type of sentences, just report it. He wished me good morning. So in this way, we can turn the direct speech into indirect speech. Keep watching the next videos. Till then, goodbye.